and read books in the ARC bookshelf on ClassLink. Mom and Dad have the instructions on how to access the books in that application. Try to read books that are about insects because we're going to be writing about insects in a little while. Make sure you complete 4 steps in your reading log. And the strategy I want you to use while you're reading is good readers look for sight words in their book. Before you start reading a page in the book, scan the sentence and look for any sight words we've learned in the past, and then go back and read your book. When you finish your 4 steps, come back to this lesson and we'll begin our writing. So you can hit the pause button and I'll see you back in a little bit. All right, boys and girls, we are ready to write about our favorite insect. Now here we have 3 insects we're going to choose from: an ant, ladybug, and a butterfly. Think about what your favorite insect is. So remember, when we're writing about something that's our favorite, that's called opinion writing. So the magic word that we're going to use is because. Okay, so remember that because is always going to be in our writing because this is an opinion writing piece. So I am going to choose a ladybug. That's my favorite insect. So I'm going to start with my picture of an insect and I'm going to draw a circle. And then I'm going to draw a curved line up at the top, kind of like an egg. And then I'm going to draw a line down the middle and then 2 little lines right there. Now the ladybug has lots of black spots. So I'm going to fill up the body with a few spots. Okay. Now the next body part is the antenna. I'm going to put 2 antennas on the top of its head, and then I'm going to give it 2 dots at the end also. Okay. Then I'm going to give my ladybug 2 eyes. And the last body part are its legs. And a ladybug has 6 legs. 1, 2, 3 on each side. 3 and 3. Okay. All right, I think I've got my ladybug complete. Now I'm ready to write a sentence. And our focus in writing is capital letters. Good writers begin a sentence with a capital letter, and that's what I want you to focus on when you're writing your sentences today. So I'm going to model for you how to write a sentence. Now the topic is, what is your favorite insect? And I drew a ladybug, so I'm going to label my ladybug. I'm just going to write the name. I'm not going to label the parts today, just the name. So my sentence is going to say, my favorite insect is a ladybug because, do you guys remember we have to use because in our opinion writing? You have to give a reason why you like something or something is your favorite. So for me, I like ladybugs because red is my favorite color. And you can always go back and color your ladybug and add more details to it, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to go straight into my sentence. But when it's your turn to draw and write about your favorite insect, I want you to go a little bit more and add a setting and give me some more details. Okay? So I'm going to begin my sentence. My favorite insect is a ladybug. So I'm going to start with a capital letter. My, that's a sight word, M-Y, my, finger space, favorite, that's a big word, but I see it up here on my paper, so I'm going to copy that. favorite. My favorite insect. Oh, I've got it right here. I'm going to copy that again. Make sure that you form your letters neatly. My favorite insect is, that's a sight word, and I see it right here too, is a, that's an easy sight word to spell, ladybug. Now, I don't have a lot of room over here, so I'm going to swoop down and start a new line, okay? I'm not done with the sentence, so I'm not going to make ladybug with a capital L. I'm not going to write it that way because I'm not finished with that sentence. Only when I'm starting a new sentence am I going to have a capital letter. So I'm going to make sure that it's a lowercase. Ladybug. And I have it written right here so I know how to spell it. My favorite insect is a ladybug because, and that's a power word, because I like red. When I is by itself, it's capitalized. I like, that's another power word. I like red. Red, period. Excellent. All right, I'm going to go back and edit my work and make sure that I spelled my power words correctly. I started with a capital letter, which is our focus, and I have finger spaces, right? We always go back and make sure that our sentence makes sense. So let's go back and see. My favorite insect is a ladybug because I like red. I have a punctuation at the end. I started with a capital letter. I've got finger spaces. My letters are written nice and neat. I can read the letters. If you make a mistake, make sure you erase really well with your pencil and not write on top of writing, because then it's going to be hard for the reader to read what you wrote. Okay? All right, guys. So now I want you to choose your favorite insect. It could be an ant, a ladybug, or a butterfly. And you're going to write about your favorite insect and tell me why that's your favorite. And don't forget to use the word because. All right, boys and girls, great job. I can't wait to see your writing. Good luck.